Hey beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alice, aka Breathing Magic. Welcome to the channel of magic, spirituality, self-development, and so much more. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to work with your crystals more effectively. Have you ever gotten a crystal because you wanted to attract love, money, good grades, or whatever, but when you held it in your hand, you went like, I feel nothing. I got nothing. Am I doing this right? If that's you, then this video is for you. These tips will help you feel your crystals and develop a deeper connection with them. If you're interested in topics like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified when I post new videos. Before we start, let's talk about today's sponsor. Me! This video is not sponsored. I just really wanted to know what it feels like to say that. And I do have a product announcement. Ta-da! See all those illustrations on that wall grid back there? My art prints / postcards are available in my Etsy shop right now. My artwork is inspired by magic, spirituality, witchcraft, fantasy, folklore, animes, animations, and things that enchant my life. I'll put the link to my Etsy shop down below. Make sure you check it out after watching this video. A quick disclaimer, I don't claim to be an expert on crystals. I'm just here sharing tips that worked for me and may work for you. This video is just a starting point. Your understanding of crystals and your relationship with crystals will deepen as you do more research and as you gain more experience. Number 1. Hang out with your crystals. It's important to spend time with your crystals because you need to get used to each other's energy. You can carry them around with you, meditate with them, or just put them beside you while you're doing your everyday tasks. For example, I hold a crystal in my hand when I study. And you can take a crystal, look at it from different angles, admire its color, touch and feel its texture, and I also strongly suggest doing some research and learning more about your crystals. Number 2, talk to your crystal. If you're into the law of attraction, manifestation, magic, witchcraft, goal setting, success achieving, or things of a similar nature, then I'm pretty sure you'd agree that intention is one of, if not the most important key factors. Always state your intention. Crystals have many talents, and they often correspond to more than one thing. So it's important for you to communicate with them what you'd like them to help you with. I like to think of working with crystals as having a lab partner. When you're working on a science project together, you can't just stand there and say nothing and go like, anytime now, just do your thing. Otherwise, your lab partner is going to be like, okay, awkward. Dude, I'm right here. Say something. What do you want? You have to do your part of the work. You have to communicate with them how you can contribute and what you'd like them to help you with. And there are many ways to talk to your crystal. You can state your intention verbally, telepathically, or through your energy. Don't overthink it. When in doubt, spell it out, say it out loud. Number 3, let go of expectations. Let go of any preconceived notions of what your experience with crystals will be like. Each crystal is unique, and your relationship with crystals is uniquely yours. And if you focus too much on just one thing, you lose sight of the broader picture. When you let go of expectations, your awareness broadens. For example, I used to think being able to feel the energy of crystals meant being able to touch a crystal and feel a huge surge of vibrational force and having all these cool epiphanies. But as I learned more and experienced more, I realized that each experience is unique. So I learned to let go of expectations. And nowadays I'm just like, hey, let's hang out. Let's have fun. We'll see what happens. And I noticed that once I started letting go, everything started to flow better, and I was able to feel and connect with my crystals in a deeper way. Sometimes I see visions, sometimes I hear melodies, sometimes I can literally feel myself feeding on the energy of the crystals. I can feel the energy moving from the crystals into my body. And other times I feel nothing, and that's okay too. Number 4, have patience. Self-development is not a competition, so relax and pace yourself. Sometimes you just have to allow the time and space for you and your crystal to bond with each other, to warm up to each other. For example, I've had this rose quartz for about 2 years, but in the past I wasn't really able to connect with it on a deeper level. But then I decided to make an effort to bond with it, and I said to my crystal, hey, I really want to get to know you a little bit better. And I made sure I spent as much time with it as possible. I meditated with it, I sat with it, I held it in my hand while I slept at night, and still nothing happened. Until one day I was meditating as usual, and all of a sudden I felt it. I felt the energy of my rose quartz, and I was taken off guard. I was so surprised. I was like, oh my gosh, so this is what a rose quartz feels like. It was amazing. And after we really bonded, it helped me so much. I remember this one time I felt this blockage in my heart chakra. And I said to my rose quartz, hey, I feel this blockage, can you help me with it? And I held it close to my heart. And then after a couple of minutes, the blockage was gone. And that was really cool. And I really appreciate you. I love you. So have patience. Number 5. Feel more, think less. When choosing crystals, learn to listen to your intuition, that gut feeling. Oftentimes, when we get crystals because we want to attract something or heal something, we get too hung up on all the crystal correspondences and forget to listen to the voice within. I suggest choosing crystals based on what you feel in your heart, not what your intellectual mind thinks fits this situation. Because there is so much more than meets the eye, and your heart knows what you truly need. So those are my 5 tips. Now it's your turn. Type in the comments below, what's your favorite crystal and how do you bond with your crystals? I'd love to know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, share this with a friend who loves crystals, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. And until then, live from your heart and be the magic you wish to see in this world. Bye!